All right, so I erased this little section here. This is where I'm gonna put the desk because that's about the place where you were putting it in your drawing. So the first thing you wanna always do is start with that rectangle shape that is just the horizontal and vertical lines. So I'm gonna start just with this piece here. It's similar to a table, but it's not gonna be as deep. Okay, so if you wanted like drawers or something, make sure that both sides are even. Okay, they don't have to be the exact measurement. Sometimes one side is a little bit thicker than the other, but make sure that they're on the same horizontal so that the desk is obviously level. Okay, so this is what I mean. This is all just vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, then if I wanted to break these drawers into half, I could just draw my X. Okay, and that shows me that this is half. Okay, I'm gonna come here, maybe I'll break these into 4. Okay, so that's half, and then I'm gonna break them into half again, so just tiny X's. You could measure the half if you wanted to, but it's easier to just draw the X. Okay, so that's a horizontal. This is a horizontal. Okay, so now I have 4 drawers here, 2 drawers here. Okay, and then I would erase all of those X's. And now you're going to, now you're turning it 3D. So now I'm using the vanishing point. Okay, so I'm taking this corner to the vanishing point. And this corner to the vanishing point. Okay, so that's the top here. So this is where I would have like my paper and my pen, whatever else, maybe a little vase or something. You could definitely add little handles. Okay, I show you how to make the handles on the dresser video. So if you want to look at that video again, just to draw the handles, you line them all up. And then you want to make the inside also 3D. So in order to do that properly, we're going to take this, I'm going to bring this down. Okay, can you see that line? I drew it lightly. And you're going to see where this convergence line hits it. Okay, which is right here. Okay, so this is as deep as this is going to go. So I'm going to, this is as deep as this is also going to go because it's obviously all even. So I'm going to draw very light. I'm going to draw it darker so you could see it, but you would draw this light. I'm just going to draw this so that when my convergence line hits it, I know that I'm done. All right, so my convergence line is hitting that right here. Okay, so I'm stopping and drawing a vertical. Okay, because if that was any deeper or any shorter, it wouldn't make sense with this. So you want to make sure that it obviously makes sense. All right, so we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, this is right under the vanishing point, so it's really skinny and awkward almost. Okay, so I'm going to stop it right here where it hits. This gets erased. And this is where that vertical starts. But it's going to look almost like the same line because that convergence line looked like a vertical. Okay, so now you have a 3D desk. It is not see-through, so this is getting erased. That was just showing me how deep the drawers were going to be. Okay, and that would be your desk.